Coffee shop counter. Printed QR, you scan it. Chrome opens, 3 redirects, you copy the wallet address, you open MetaMask, you paste it, you type the amount, you hit send. By that point, the coffee is cold. AIBIZ ships a native Android app. Open the docs page, click Android app download, 13 megabytes, signed release, sideloaded. The app icon lands on your home screen. The fun part, a circumflex euros, universal links. Every AIBIZ.1BZ.biz/pay/name URL is verified against the app's assetlinks.json. So when you scan a QR pointing at one, Android opens the AIBIZ app directly, not Chrome. The send form pre-fills. Recipient a circumflex euros alice.aibiz. Token a circumflex euros ust. Amount a circumflex euros $4.50. You tap pay. The transaction confirms on Polygon in 3 seconds. The coffee is still hot. The app is a capacitor shell over the wallet.html page a circumflex euros, so every web update lands in the app automatically. No re-release. No store update prompt. Sideload now, sign up for nothing, and your phone becomes a name-native payment terminal. AIBIZ, scan, tap, paid. Download at aibiz.1bz.biz/download/aibizandroid.app.